Wow.
Elephants are the largest land mammals in the world, and they are known for their distinctive features, such as their long trunks, large ears, and thick gray skin. They are native to Africa and Asia, and there are two main species of elephants, the African elephant and the Asian elephant. Elephants are highly intelligent animals, and they have complex social structures and strong family bonds. They are also known for their memories, and they have been observed exhibiting signs of grief and mourning for their dead. Elephants play an important role in their ecosystems, serving as seed dispersers and helping to maintain the balance of the forest and savanna habitats they live in. They are also important cultural symbols and are revered in many societies for their strength, intelligence, and gentle nature. Unfortunately, elephants are also threatened by habitat loss and poaching, and their populations have declined dramatically in recent decades. Conservation efforts are underway to protect elephants and their habitats, and many organizations are working to ensure the survival of these magnificent animals for future generations.